Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello. Welcome. Have you ever wondered what the magnetic field actually looks like around a simple straight wire carrying current? Today, we are going to break down an essential exam question that asks exactly that. The question asks us to draw the exact pattern of magnetic field lines around a straight conductor, and crucially, we must clearly indicate the directions for both the current and the resulting magnetic field. Let's look at the solution for this. To answer this, we first need to understand the shape. The magnetic field lines form perfect concentric circles, and the center of all these circles lies exactly on the wire itself. Now, to figure out which way these circles are spinning, we rely on a very simple trick, the right-hand thumb rule. Let's state this rule clearly for your exam. Imagine you are holding that straight, current-carrying wire in your right hand. Now, point your thumb straight up, directly aligned with the flow of the current. Check out this diagram. You can clearly see the thumb pointing along the current. Notice how your fingers naturally curl around the wire. That curling direction represents the exact path of the magnetic field lines. Finally, there's one more important detail we must mention about the direction of these lines. Because these field lines form complete circles around the wire, they are always perpendicular or at a 90-degree angle to the direction of the current flowing through it. Keep that in mind. I hope this makes visualizing magnetic fields much easier for you. Thank you for joining me, and happy learning.